I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account. So first thing you'll need to do is go to paypal.com or open up the app and then click on the wallet menu from the top. Now you will need to either link a bank account or a card that supports transfers from PayPal. And once you've linked and verified your bank or card by clicking these buttons here and following the instructions, you will usually select your PayPal balance, which is this one here, and then click on Send Payments. Now you want to select your bank or card, and then press Next and specify the amount that you want to withdraw, and then press Next and Confirm. Now once you press Transfer now, this should send the payment or the money transfer to your bank, and it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive to your bank and show up in your balance. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.